everybody, welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is April 7th, 2025. Yeah, so last week we had launched our testnet a few weeks back. Last year we actually opened it to the public, and a lot of people already jumped in. Everything's going as planned. We're still going to be testing a few things and doing some upgrades, testing the upgrades with the community as well. So as we start this, let's go ahead and Spuddy, how is our community growing, and how's that going?
Yeah, it's been great. About 37 people have successfully bridged to layer. We didn't lose any deposits, which is great. The bridge reports, the way the bridge works, for those who don't know, is you create your bridge request on Sepolia, and then reporters on layer use the RPC to the EVM to they pick up your bridge request and they report it on layer. 12 hours after that report, anybody can claim the deposit and get a tip. So if there is anybody watching who was wondering how the bridge works, anybody can claim the tip. It doesn't have to be us. There's a little bit of confusion with the docs, but I think I got it all straightened out and everybody got bridged and it's going great.
Now, Caleb, how's the state of our chain?
It looks good. And now that we have a lot of the people moving over to our new testnet, I'm excited this week to test out some stuff on the older testnet for some social forking and some other just emergency preparation stuff for us to be prepared for absolutely anything that gets thrown our way.
Akram?
Yeah, I was trying to go through the issues of layer, but I guess we're gonna switch gears to prepare for the 1 o'clock, I guess.
Tim?
So I have a PR in to make sure we can recover any bridge deposits where the inputted recipient address is bad. So we want to make this thing as low risk and as foolproof as possible. Yeah, we just have a PR in so we can recover some tokens that were bridged but can't be recovered. And then, yeah, I'm continuing to work on beefing up the monitoring for relaying and just making sure our data has sufficient power. But the existing relayer has been up and running. It was running all weekend and still pushing data over, and that's looking good. We have good amount of participation from the reporters. Yeah, I saw that the bridge validator set updated a couple hours ago. That means that we got a 5% change of our validator set since the last update.
Dan?
I am testing out forking in an interchain test.
Thanks, Dan. That's part of us being ready for anything that could happen for everybody out there, to give them a little bit of background. Ryan?
Yeah, I need to do some cleanup on some of the front ends, namely the relayer and the bridge front end. So I'll be spending a lot of time just sprucing those up for the UX.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yep.
Nick?
Not much. Working on a good article, some price stuff. Going to be trying out the bridge and running some stuff today. Going over the docs, fine tooth comb. So.
And everybody, we're actually this year again, we're having ETHDC. This year is called Crypto Capital ETHDC, and it's a conference, a dev focused conference in DC on April 24th. So I hope if you are in DC, hope that people make it to the conference, and then you guys let me know who's coming. All right, well then we'll see you guys next week.